Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Rolls-Royce Wraith versus Lamborghini models. We'll explore their distinct philosophies, helping you decide which high-performance luxury vehicle best suits your desires. The Wraith offers a serene, opulent experience, while a Lamborghini delivers an adrenaline-fueled ride. We'll delve into their unique characteristics, from engine power to interior design, to highlight their core differences. The Rolls-Royce Wraith embodies unparalleled luxury and refinement. Its twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 624 horsepower, ensures effortless, smooth acceleration, not raw speed. Inside, you'll find a sanctuary of quiet comfort, with bespoke options and hand-stitched leather. Every detail, from the Starlight headliner to the deep pile carpets, is designed for an opulent, serene journey. Lamborghini, on the other hand, is all about unadulterated performance and a visceral driving experience. Models like the Huracan or Aventador boast V10 or V12 engines, often exceeding 600 horsepower, for blistering acceleration and top speeds. Their sharp, angular designs aren't just for show. They are aerodynamically optimized for maximum downforce and handling on the track or open road. So which is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you seek the pinnacle of luxury, a whisper-quiet ride, and effortless power for grand touring, the Rolls-Royce Wraith is your choice. But if you crave the roar of a high-revving engine, razor-sharp handling, and a car that demands attention with its extreme performance, then a Lamborghini is undoubtedly for you. Both offer incredible experiences, just very different ones. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.